As you can probably tell, we're going camping and hunting. We're gonna go have a ball. Moose, you can't go. You'll run away.
Take that, Clay Hayes.
Yeah, they blow the ashes back into us there through the chimney. Oh yeah. They don't get no better.
Well, there's a caked out 12 point, hanging.
Oh my gosh.
That would, that might do it. Hell, even a doe. That'd be.
A yearling, I mean.
Ain't them pretty spots?
Yeah.
I'd make a run out of that.
I aimed at that one right there. I hit this one.
How is it?
Best green beans I've had all day.
Amen.
Eating like cavemen that had green beans.
Hey, Miller Lite. Yeah, that right there's good.
All right, we got the generator going. Firing the stove. About to go to sleep. Wake up in the morning and kill a deer. Maybe. We just got set up in a new spot. Seen a buck cruising down the ridge there. Been seeing quite a few scrapes. Kind of weird. We hear something walking, but we can't see it. There's a big drop off, so we'll see about it. ended up only seeing the one buck and all those turkeys. Devin had to run back home and take care of some stuff, and it started raining on us, and supposed to come some pretty good thunderstorms tonight and tomorrow, so we didn't really see a very good point in staying. So we're going to try to plan another trip in a few more weeks before bow season ends, but we still had fun, and we're for sure going to do it again here pretty soon. We thank you for watching, and y'all keep following us.